The pineapple dessert with only 3 ingredients, easy, fast and delicious. I will start by adding in a pot a large pineapple cut into very small cubes. Then I'm going to add enough water to cover the pineapple. Once the pineapple is covered, I will add half a cup of sugar and mix very well until the sugar is dissolved. People, this pineapple dessert is super easy to make and looks delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I will cover the pot and let it cook over high heat for 20 minutes. After the time our pineapple would be ready, I will add 80 grams of pineapple-flavored gelatin. Meanwhile, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Daniel Maurice from Florida, also for Joy Pascual from Philippines, and Elisa Monteviros from Japan. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I will turn off the stove and let it sit for 5 minutes or until it cools. When I know they're cooled completely, 400 milliliters of cream, and mix to incorporate it very well. I recommend you make this pineapple dessert at home. It is very easy to make and is very delicious. It also has very few ingredients. Then I'm going to add 150 milliliters of condensed milk and mix again. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like dessert, so I can send you a very special greeting. And so we should stay. In a rectangular refractory, I will add all the mixture we have prepared. Then I will cover the refractory with fit paper and take it to the fridge for 2 hours or until the dessert is hardened. And now our pineapple dessert is ready. We have made a delicious pineapple dessert with few ingredients. I hope you make this recipe at home, although I would like you to rate this dessert from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.